Okay, guys, here we have badcredit.org, 400,000 monthly unique visitors. Got a big affiliate multi-million-dollar deal going on. And as you can see, their latest blog, we are featured Pinnacle Credit Repair because we're partnering with Bad Credit. And this is what I'm talking about, credibility. You have these big financial companies like badcredit.org, consumeraffairs.org, and bettercreditblog.org, and other finance companies like money.com and so on and so forth. And Brandon Russman wrote this article here. We can see here, did a pretty good job. As you can see, it's very thorough, very organized, and it will basically tell you everything that we do here at Pinnacle. So this is important if you want to further evaluate us as a company and know that we are legit, and you could see further about what we do, what we're offering you. And basically that's here. That's a picture of me, and it talks about our ACAT system, stands for Automatic Credit Analytic Technologies. And so guys, keep in mind, I worked with the founder of Lexington Law. I was mentored by him. Now, of course, Lexington Law doesn't do what the founder knows. Working with the founder, I found out how to fix credit the fastest. And then I created this innovative credit repair technology called ACAT. And it basically puts everything that I learned from Steve Page, but into a more modernized, efficient approach. And we did change a lot of the things that credit repair is known for. So our dispute process is entirely different than any other companies. So here are the programs, and you could see more about us here. Feel free to check us out. And as you can see, badcredit.org, huge company, very awesome. And if you're looking to try something different and get fast results, this is the company. Work with us. So we have a couple programs here. Go ahead and do the research. There will be a link in the description. And thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and continue the journey to having better credit. Thank you.